Hello and welcome back to Dotspot. Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to draw a hand holding a pencil, and we're going to start this one using a triangle rather than a circle, and this is going to help us to represent the hand as it's tilted holding the pencil, and we're going to draw the wrist in like this. Okay, so I'm going to show you a little trick to get this right. So once you've drawn your triangle, you're going to draw a circle like this, and this is going to help us to place the thumb and the first finger to hold the pencil. Also draw a line just to represent the pencil, and you can see it's already beginning to take shape. Okay, to sketch this in as an artwork, you take the thumb first, place that. Don't forget the knuckle of the thumb. If it helps, you can look at your own thumb while you're drawing, and then bring it down and into the wrist. Okay, now you bring this line around here, and then you're going to draw the knuckle which supports the pencil, and bring it into the first joint, the second joint, and then at the end of the finger you really get this feeling that the finger and the thumb are working together to hold on to something, and that's important. So let's draw the pencil in a little bit stronger now. We've got those first two fingers in position. Okay, sketch that in, and then coming back to the hand, as the hand is in a tilted position, the other second knuckle is a bit lower, and it helps if you just draw that in there and then bring it back to the wrist and down the rest of the arm. Now the second finger of our hand usually supports the pencil from underneath, so you can draw that in like this. Okay, to keep things simple, you can just shade in this area completely and not worry about any of the detail in there, because you've got enough to communicate that this is a hand holding a pencil. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please hit the bell button to receive notifications. Please subscribe, and I'll see you for the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.